Keep my head up, and you in this.
I'm just getting warmed up. This is Von Clausewitz shit. Total fucking war. I'm gonna pull the whole thing down. I'm gonna bring the whole fucking diseased, corrupt temple down on your head.
Shit is funny, I murder rappers for free. I don't need any money. I clean Donnie Darko up like I dust bunny. So now a little fairy is next on my berry's flesh. I don't think you're evil, I just think that you're very depressed. Call me the exorcist, bitch, if you think you're possessed. Step in the booth, son, I wanna hear you confess. With that stale ass style, bro, it's time to refresh. It's like you're begging for attention, bitch, just put on a dress. I don't stress, my flow is blessed, and it can save your soul. I'm like John Wick when I kill all these internet trolls. When it gets quiet, the blood finally's taking its toll. Life is a gamble, dead fairy, and I'm making dice out of your skull. I'll kill you twice, and you'll never come out of your hole. I'll do it in silence, bitch, you just wanna put on a show. You pedo projecting, horror film collecting, disrespectful little troll. Keep coming at me, dead fairy, I'ma bury you in your hole. Acting all dark-minded and shady, why you pretending to be crazy? What kind of trauma did you suffer as a baby? You just came across a pit bull with rabies. I wanted to battle, and guess who stepped forward? A dead fairy who is infatuated with horror and probably afraid of blood. It's war, prepare the scuds. That shit was fucking whack. Even Dante didn't fire a dud. Listen, bitch, I put my dog down cause he was suffering, and now I gotta do the same for you cause there's no recovery. If I ever catch you in person, guarantee you'll be stuttering, or your bitch ass will be too hard to find, like your name is Waldo. All that horrorcore shit goes out the window like Vimy in Chicago. I got more rounds in the magazine, I'll let them all go. I'm concerned with your style, bro, think that you're lost. I bet you had black fingernails, a skateboard, and used to be goth, but you can't help it, attracted to my light like a moth.
Now you simply sat in the shadows, watching them.
If you want darkness, I'll let the vultures pick from your carcass. That's a front, you just love to act like you're heartless. You ain't a savage, you probably beat your mom, but nobody else. You're a homophobic faggot who's secretly running from himself. I'm sorry if I give you flashbacks the way I'm schooling you, and you go shoot up a school with a list of those who bully you. This ain't no tit for tat, I murder bitches when I spit this rap. If I held up wet toilet paper, you couldn't rip through that. I'm disappointed, bitch, I had high hopes for you. I guess this rap battle shit is just a joke for you. Since you rap like you wanna die, I'll come and slit your throat for you. I'll introduce you to that darkness that you front like you love. Come to AZ and see if we just front like some thugs.